In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an item on Steam. This step-by-step guide will take you through the process so you can start turning your digital assets into cash on the Steam market. Selling items on Steam is a straightforward process, but there are a few important steps you need to be familiar with. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open up your Steam app. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download the Steam client from the official Steam website and install it on your computer. Once you've got your app open, head on over to the login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your account name and password. In case you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but we'll assume you're already set up. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the sign in button to access your Steam homepage. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to locate and click on your profile name, which can usually be found in the upper part of your screen. This will bring up a menu where you'll select Inventory. The inventory page is where you'll find all your items, including trading cards, weapons, and other digital assets from various games. If you have a lot of trading cards or other items you're planning to sell, take a moment to go through each one. Decide which items you're willing to sell on the Steam market by judging their rarity, value, and your personal attachment to them. Once you've decided which trading card or item to sell, click on it to open its details page. There you'll find an option labeled Sell. Clicking on this will bring up a new window where you can determine the price. In the buyer pays field, enter the amount you wish to receive for the item. Keep in mind that Steam may take a small cut from the sale, so set your price accordingly. After setting your price, click on the button labelled OK, put it up for sale. This action will list your item on the Steam marketplace, making it available for others to purchase. Check that everything looks right and confirm the listing. Finally, to keep track of your sales, navigate to the Community tab on your Steam app or website. From there, click on Market to see an overview of your active listings, recent sales, and any items you've put up for sale. This area will help you manage your sales and make adjustments if needed. And that's it. Selling items on Steam is a fantastic way to earn some money or get credits for future purchases within the platform. Thanks for watching and happy selling.